Hello from Arcaz. Self-leveling epoxy is a type of epoxy floor coating that can be applied over concrete floors to create a durable, low-maintenance flooring surface. Specifically, self-leveling epoxy flooring that can be applied over old and new concrete floor to create a smooth, seamless surface. This is because during application, the epoxy spreads out to fill cracks or chips in concrete floors. List of equipment you need to apply. Surface preparation. All surface cracks should be repaired with a repair compound, pile mortar TT. The entire contents of the hardener and base can should be emptied into the mixing vessel and thoroughly mixed for 3 minutes. Apply the mixed mortar TT to the substrate using any of the application instruments, such as trowel, scraper, filling knife, or squeegee. Priming. All prepared substrate should be primed with Prime 38. The entire contents of the hardener and base can should be emptied into the mixing vessel and thoroughly mixed for 3 minutes. Apply Prime 38 by brush or roller. Ensure that the substrate is completely covered. In the case of very porous concrete substrate, further coats of primer might be required. Allow the primer to dry before proceeding to the next stage. Minimum curing period is 6 hours. Mixing and application, Stratum SL 3000. The hardener and base components should be stirred thoroughly in order to disperse any settlement before mixing them together. The entire contents of the hardener and base can should be emptied into the mixing vessel and thoroughly mixed for 3 to 5 minutes. Thereafter, the contents of the graded aggregate pack should be slowly added, and mixing carried out for a further 3 minutes until completely homogeneous material is obtained. The material should be applied onto the prepared prime surface as soon as mixing is complete, to the required thickness using a pin screed, if not a serrated trowel, spreading it evenly and slowly. Immediately after laying, the material should be rolled using a spiked nylon roller to remove slight trowel marks and to assist air release. The rolling should be carried out using a back and forth technique along the same path. An overlap of 50% with adjacent paths is recommended. The rolling process should be continued for a minimum of 5 times on the same path. For any inquiries or technical information, do not hesitate to contact Technical Service Department of Arcaz. We are available to assist you in the correct and best use of our products.